Accredited debt consolidation features, strengths, weaknesses. Accredited Debt Relief, ADR, operates as a debt consolidation company, primarily focusing on debt resolution, also known as debt settlement, which is a key feature differentiating it from debt consolidation loans. Their core offering involves negotiating with creditors to reduce your overall debt burden. This typically involves you stopping direct payments to your creditors and instead depositing funds into an ADR-managed account. These accumulated funds are then used to make settlement offers. A key feature is their dedicated team of debt specialists who evaluate your financial situation and create a personalized debt relief program. ADR is designed for individuals struggling with unsecured debt, like credit card debt, medical bills, and some personal loans, who are facing significant financial hardship and are looking for an alternative to bankruptcy. One of ADR's strengths lies in its potential to significantly reduce your total debt, often by 40 to 60% after fees. This can be particularly beneficial if you're overwhelmed by high-interest debt. They also offer credit counseling and financial education resources, aiming to help clients develop better financial habits. A major weakness is the potential negative impact on your credit score. Since you stop making payments to your creditors, this inevitably leads to late payment marks and potential collection activity, severely damaging your credit. Furthermore, there's no guarantee that creditors will agree to settle. The success of the program depends on creditors' willingness to negotiate, and this can vary greatly. Fees are another consideration. ADR charges a percentage of the enrolled debt, usually ranging from 15 to 25%, which is only charged after a debt is successfully settled. This performance-based fee structure can be seen as both a pro and a con, as you only pay if they deliver results, but it ultimately adds to the total cost. Finally, settled debt may be considered taxable income by the IRS. Before engaging with accredited debt relief, meticulously analyze your financial situation. Explore all available options, including debt consolidation loans, credit counseling, and bankruptcy. Carefully review ADR's terms and conditions, understand the potential risks to your credit score, and consider consulting with a financial advisor or tax professional. Determine if the potential debt reduction outweighs the potential negative consequences for your unique circumstances. Debt settlement is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and its suitability hinges on your individual financial profile and tolerance for risk.